Hi everyone and welcome back to the Astronomy Guide. It's time for watching the sky and this time it's for May 2026. Let's start straight away and I will show you 5 amazing things that you don't want to miss and you can have really good observing sessions. Stay to the end because I, as usual, will share something special with you. So, tips number 1, and be amazed now, it's not a planet this time. You know that I like planets and I like the moon, but this time I will share something special with you because one of the best meteor showers happening in May this year. So, we have the peak early in May, around 5th and 6th of May. So, early in the morning, just before sun rises, look in the eastern sky and you can see really nice meteor shower. This is the Aquariids meteor shower that peaks in May 5th to 6th, and you can see really nice fast moving meteoroids leaving like a burning trail, and you can expect around 20 to 30 of these per hour. So this is really worth waking up early for and go out and observe. And again, you don't need a telescope or fancy equipment, you can see it with your naked eye. But of course, if you have a binocular or a telescope, the experience will be much better. So this was tip number 1. Tips number 2. If you have been looking at social medias, internet, YouTube and so on, you have most certainly heard about the full flower moon. This one is on May 1st, so it's actually tomorrow. So I'm a little bit late with this video, but I hope you look at my videos as soon as I post them, and I will post this today. So I'm one day ahead. So the flower moon, what is it? What does it come from? You have most certainly seen a lot of pictures right now. So May kicks off with the flower moon, and the name comes actually from the abundance of blooming flowers this time of the year. So it's easy as that. It's nothing more exotic than that. But it's a beautiful sight, especially during moonrise, and you will place a large golden moon. A good time to take really nice pictures. And on my channel, I have short videos and I have also longer videos on basic astrophotography, shorts on really nice pictures of the moon. So get some inspiration and prepare your observing and photo sessions now, because this is something that you don't want to miss. And to spice it up a little bit, I said as tips number 2, the flower moon, but okay, let's head a little bit further into May. 16th of May, we have super new moon. And what's that? A super new moon is very small and creates an extremely dark sky. And this prepares for really nice observing session, especially when you go out stargazing. So you can have better chance of seeing the Milky Way and maybe take some good photos even there. So make the best out of this when the moon is away now, and don't light up brightens up the night sky. Now you have the chance to see some more challenging object, maybe if you are new into astronomy. So take this chance when it's away around May 16th. This is the darkest night on the for this month. So yeah, distant galaxies and star clusters can be really nice observing this time. When we are talking about the moon, why not talk about the moon again? Because something special is happening during May. So we actually have two full moons during May. So the second one is on May 31st, and it's called a blue moon. And no, the moon will not appear blue in the night sky. So there, I'm sorry to get you disappointed. You don't have a chance to take a picture of a completely blue moon. No, the name comes from that when we have two moons in the same month, it's just called a blue moon. But again, now you have the chance. Observe the moon, take nice pictures, get inspired from my shorts, and you can see what is possible to see out there. But don't miss it. It's a good opportunity to have nice observing sessions. Now we have come to the fifth tips from my side, and it's really nice planetary views because you have both Jupiter and Venus. So if you look in the sun after the sunset in the west, you can see them very very bright. Venus is the brightest one in May, and you can easily see them with your naked eye, better with binocular, but even best with the telescope. But I have mentioned them several times now during What's in the Sky. They are good to observe now, so don't miss them. This is a tips from my side. I will further in this year go a little bit more about star clusters, deep sky objects, galaxies, and things like that. But right now, I want to focus on the best objects to look at, in my point of view, because others don't agree with me that this is the best objects right now, but this is my point. So get inspired and see what you think as well. And now we have come to the final tips from my side. I started to have these special tips in the end, and I will continue with that because I know you like it. So around May 19th to 20th, there is a special things happening because the moon passes close to Venus and Jupiter, and this will be like a stunning line up in the sky. So nice to view. It's a little bit like a planetary parade. I actually made a short about that. What's a planetary parade? So if you are interested, so have a look at that one as well. But now you have this Venus, Jupiter, and Moon very close to each other. And again, now I'm a little bit pushy on the astrophotography, but there is a good opportunity to take some really nice pictures. This was all for this time. I hope you like this video, so please like, subscribe, and comment. I want to hear what is your best observing sessions, what is your tips and tricks. So I want us to create like a community and share experience, tips and tricks with each other. But of course, I want to hear what you think about the videos that I share and post here, because this will inspire me on the upcoming future videos. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful and have amazing observing sessions, and don't forget to take nice photos as well. Thank you so much. Bye.